Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to answer a question that so many of you have been asking me on Telegram, whether Btoll is still working. Btoll is still working fine, and so many of you are asking me how to deposit on Btoll, and that is the essence of this video. Alright, so once you created your Btoll account, you using the link in my description box and the invitation code, and you've downloaded the crypto wallet they are using, which is Hubcoin. Alright, so all you have to do is transfer money into your Hubcoin wallet. Alright, because you are going to have a USDT TRC20 address. Alright, so copy that address from your Hubcoin and take it to your Binance or any crypto wallet you are using and transfer the amount you want to start out with. Okay, you want to start working on Btoll. So once you transfer it to Hubcoin, you now log into your Btoll account. Alright, you come down here to statistics. Alright, look at this home, you click on the next one, statistics. Alright, so once you click on statistics, you come down here. Alright, if you don't want to do cash deposit but USDT, you click on USDT deposit. Alright, so once you click on USDT deposit, you impute the amount you want to deposit. Alright, let's say, okay, let me impute $7. Okay, you now click on submit. From here you choose Hubcoin. Alright, you choose Hubcoin. So once you choose Hubcoin TRC20, you say submit. Alright, once you submit, you click on pay. Then it will integrate, it will connect with your Hubcoin account that is already on your phone. Alright, so all you have to do, you enter your 6-digit secret pin, and that is that. Operation successful. Alright, so you just go back and my $7 is there. Alright, so let me briefly show you how you can actually make money here. Alright, number one, you can make money by inviting people. 10% income from your referrals, your first level, then second level 5%, third level 2%, and unlimited. Alright, and again, this is what you are going to be doing to earn money. Alright, to earn more. Alright, so if you are registering, make sure you use this referral code here. Alright, this one showing on your screen. You can click the link in my description box to register. Alright, and join many others making money. Alright, so once you've done that, this is what you're going to be doing. You come to home, you click on market, wait for it to load. So these are transactions waiting for you to complete using your balance. Alright, like this, I can, okay, my order is range 1 to 1. Alright, because I'm not active on this platform, they have ranged me in 1-on-1. Okay, one ratio 1 to 1, so I can only trade 1 USDT at a time because of my balance. Alright, so you now say complete, you now click on completed. So once you're in this stage, you wait. Alright, and check, you go and check your Hubcoin crypto to make sure that the 1 USDT drop before you confirm the order. Okay, so you'll be working with the 2 applications at a time. Alright, now you are waiting for this asset to be delivered into your account. You refresh or maybe do some other things, but just in few minutes it will drop. Alright, so you have to be patient and wait for it. Okay, and wait for it. And as you are waiting for this, and you can equally withdraw to your USD wallet. Alright, once you gather your profit, you can withdraw to your USD wallet. As you can see from here, these are my transactions. Okay, 27.6. Alright, so the site is still working. Feel free to join and start making some bucks for yourself. Alright, though this one is not a get rich quick, you have to work in order to earn. Alright, you have to work in order to earn. Good, the $1 have dropped, so you can go back to Btoll and say confirm. So once you confirm, it will be deducted from here. Alright, now you can see it's 6.5 and my profits have been added. Now look at all these transactions. If you put big money here, that is when you will be enjoying the profit. Alright, now look at this other amount, the first one on the screen. Look at it. If you are using $800, this will be your profits per transaction, 4 USDT. Alright, 4 USDT. And if you are using $3, this will be your this will be your profit 0.01. All right, if you're using $50, this will be your profit per transaction. All right, like the $1 we just did. All right, let's check for $1. Like the $1 we just did, this is my profit 0.005. So if you do it over and over, as you accumulate to something reasonable by the end of the day. All right, let's say you're using $100. Let's say you're using $100. This is what you'll be making per transaction. All right, per transaction. And this transaction, you need 100 other credits. Okay, you need other credits up to 100 to perform a transaction that will give you a 0.5 USD. What that one means is that this is your other credit. Okay, so you need to buy other credit card here. Okay, so if you are thinking of investing $100, you are going to use $50 out of it to buy other credits. Okay, so if you use $50 to buy other credits, you transact after 24 hours. Okay, let's say you purchase this experience order card, which is valid for 1 day. So if you buy this card, okay, look at it here. Order card usage rules. It will take effect immediately after purchase, and the order credit will be issued once directly. Okay, so it's going to be given to you once, which is 150 USDT order credit. All right, now number 2 says after purchasing order cards, the deposit will be automatically refunded according to the refund time that show at purchased record. So after you have been given 150 order credits to trade your remaining $50, okay, so you're going to trade 3 times. All right, because you're trading $50, you're going to trade 3 times, meaning every day, okay, you'll be making $1.5. Now the following day, all right, once you exhausted your 150 order credit, once you exhausted, the following day, this $50 you use will be refunded back to your account, okay, for you to order another 150 order credits to continue your trade. All right, so here you have assurance of making 1.5 USDT every day. All right, but by the time you start referring your friends and they start buying other credits, transacting, you will be getting all these credits for free. All right, without you waiting for your funds to be refunded after 24 hours. All right, now the other credit obtained every day will be automatically expired after 1 day. So as long as you order for this, you make sure you trade and exhaust it. All right, because it will expire at the same time they will refund the $50 you use to purchase this order credit. All right, now experience order cards are limit 7 per person. All right, a limit. So once you register, you come and purchase yours. All right, you just click on purchase and start trading. Okay, so if you deposit let's say $50, you use half of it to buy, you use $25 to buy other credits and do your transaction. The following day they will credit you back your money. You order again and continue trading. All right, you're sure of making 1.5 USDT steady by performing just 3 trades per day. All right, so I think this is good enough. So if you have time, if you want to make extra bucks, this is good for you. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell, all right, for you to be able to receive more updates coming from my way. There are new updates coming up, so get your hands across my subscription button and make sure you join my Telegram group where you communicate with other people. And if you are a trader or aspiring to be a forex trader, I have in my group I share free VIP signals every day. All right, so all you have to do is join my Telegram group. You register with my recommended broker in the group and enjoy the free VIP signals. You make profit every day. All right, so you enter and see it for yourself. I'll see you in my next video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. All right, bye for now.